The internet is boundless, like the universe. Similar to the universe, it gives the premonition of new, unlimited possibilities and contains boundless variety of forms. Especially today, with the development and accessibility of information and communication technologies, the main human resource of the planet is users of social networks that in turn serve as a mechanism for the accumulation and dissemination of information. The information is represented by personal data of network users, technical identifiers, and metadata about posted photo and video materials, unstructured text content in personal and group accounts, explicit and hidden relations between network users. The most relevant example is the recent presidential elections in the United States. Then, Trump spent on his election campaign almost half as much as his opponent Hillary Clinton. Trump's total advertising costs amounted to $67 million against $237 million of the expenses of the Democratic Party. The promotion strategy reduced the amount to not use television and newspapers, but social networks. Trump policy technologists have used the targeting tools for what their audiences searched, analyzed their weak and strong sides, their habits and interests, and made an individual approach to targeting. In this way, the audience received content that answered to their whims. This is just a private example that demonstrates the power of social media and induces the developed world to use it actively. Thus, social networks allow us to solve a wide range of challenges in the field of business, security, public interests, or personal character. For example, business products promotion, reputation management, and information threats detection are possible by analysis of a boundless array of data that circulates in social networks. The Spectrum system is designed to collect and analyze content from social media. It allows you to automate work with social networks, electronic media, as well as outside and local databases. The general principle of the system is based on a powerful search module that uses machine learning algorithms, artificial intelligence technology, and big data, allowing you to speed up and simplify the information collection and select the most relevant results after analyzing content from social media. The Spectrum system consists of such structuring elements: data acquisition module from social networks, from news sites or mobile messengers that allow you to search for the most relevant information, save it in the system database, and apply algorithms to other modules. Module of logical analysis and visualization that detects hidden ties between users, builds clusters, demonstrates the logic of ties on graphs. Module of photo analysis simplifies and at times accelerates the search for photo content. Text analysis module includes annotation of big texts, categorization of all received text content, keyword selection, text portrait drawing, and key entities definition, as well as sentiment analysis. Monitoring module allows to monitor the relevant topics, accounts, or channels, and to trace the dynamics of changes in the monitoring objects. The modular structure allows you to complete the system as by all modules simultaneously, or use only some of them. The example of how the system works via powerful tools as searching for geolocation data and logical analysis is shown with the following visualization. Gathering data open source is the case of geosearching in the Syrian port. Matching some territory on the map due to the geolocation data of users' photo content. We get a list of individuals who were in TARDIS in some period of time. The results are shown on a graph, and choosing such persons who have ties and with the help of information from VK social network profiles, we found 2 servicemen, Russian citizens. Analyzing their friends list, we detected common contacts, 5 people. Checking all mutual friends through the dashboard filter of the working place, we select only males, military men of a separate Marine brigade. Photos from users' profiles confirm their belonging to the Army. Thus, having found photos with geolocation data of 2 soldiers of the Russian Army, it has detected the profiles of 73 VK users who belong to one common military unit and may be present in the Syrian port of TARDIS. At the level of logical analysis and visualization, image recognition technology is positioned, which allows to recognize a large array of photo content. For example, military equipment, people in uniform or with weapons, and to recognize faces and photographs of documents. Photo content recognition technology is based on neural networks which are able to self-study. The most powerful analyzing tool of system is text analyzing. Text messages received by searching from different sources, the media, Facebook, Twitter, Vkontakte, Instagram, Telegram, are categorized by the specified categories and selected the most relevant content to request. Long reads are automatically annotated. Entities, geographical names, family names, organizations, and so on. And keywords are extracted from texts, and the tone of selected messages is determined. Sentiment analyzing. To search for similar content, the mechanism of contextual search is used that allows to find information for derivatives and synonymous categories for request. The system automatically determines the language of the incoming text and is able to process texts in 73 world languages. A highly sought-after module of the system is the Active Actions module. It allows you to do cross-posting in social media, creating accounts for public opinion leaders, identifying target audiences or targeting, to inform about real, not about fake events, and distribution of positive content. All this is a module of Active Actions. Thus, in the real examples that have been demonstrated here, the system appears to accelerate the complex task solutions by several times, and the relevant results obtained for decision-making. If you want to provide your own or collective security to organizations, businesses, and the state, use the Spectrum system.